is also coming closer. The tourists are also visiting in dense populations, like I would like to say. But be careful. Whatever has been told to you, just abide by the rules and regulations and follow the instructions given time to time. Follow the wherever there are signboards, follow the signboards. Whenever there are junctions, follow the signboards which is showing which way you have to go. Informatory boards are there where you have to see where you have to go, and be happy, be safe.
सांगू शकता सर तुम्ही
I am trying to tell you is that you all have to come with a solution of finding these people. Even 20 or 50 rupees will be a nice thing, because they will then learn to how to discipline and enjoy themselves, because this beach is a creation of the Lord, and if God has made something for everybody, then we have to respect the thing. In your house you will not throw the dirt, so throw it in the dustbin. Eat and go and throw it in the dustbin. Keep it in your bag and throw it in the dustbin. Please do not destroy nature. Second thing, there are accidents happening. The youngsters are coming from all over, speeding up in these bikes, drinking and speeding. They have to be also pulled at one side and told them perfectly first time. Don't charge them, but tell them perfectly. If you are caught drunk or you're this thing, police are doing a wonderful job in Goa, but how much can a police do also? But if the panchayat charges a small amount of 50 rupees, there will be discipline in the beaches in Goa, because the fish is consuming that, and we are also eating the same fish, and we are getting cancer and all other illnesses. So we have to save human life by saving the creation what God has made.
वो सरपंच बिन मानले पॉइंट्स
हांव वेता मेवपाक ताका.
Okay.
But I don't think this तो busy आसलेलो जोझफ. तो म्हाका मेवपाक जाय ताका उलयपाक.
आणि सेकंड पॉइंट आम्ही जेन्ना बिचार येयले तेन्ना पयलीं वी हॅव सीन द लॉट्स ऑफ स्ट्रीट डॉग्स ओवर हियर.
Yeah, dogs. Plenty of dogs are there, and they are just kept by the shack people. You understand?
Okay.
So the shack people also should be responsible
How
that
they-
these things will not destroy or bite any human being on the beach.
How dangerous it could be to the tourists.
Exactly. I agree to this. You're right. Even you all speak and I also. Because this is, you make your money. I'm not stopping you all. You all earn money because you have to earn. But don't keep things which will destroy human creation and hurt somebody by getting bites by animals or anything. This is my only request. If every human person from a childhood till a old age person can understand, it will help Goa to become a better place.
येस सर.
सिनियर सिटीजन कसले हेल्प जाय जाल्यार आमी कॉल केला फुडें 15 मिनटान पावता मग. इवन स्कुला भुरग्यांनी कोण बुलींग केले, कितें त्रास केले जाल्यार सुद्दां तांकां कॉल केल्यार सुद्दां तेमी हेल्प करता. तेजे शिवाय सिनियर सिटीजनाक 1090 कॉल केले जाल्यार सुद्दां तेमी आपूण पावता म्हण अवेरनेस केला. आणि डोमेस्टीक वायलन्स कोणाक सुद्दां आमी कॉल करूं शकता की काही कितें दिसत असते डोमेस्टीक वायलन्स चलता ते सुद्दां कॉल करून मोबायल एमर्जन्सी 112 कॉल केल्यार सुद्दां तेमी पावता म्हणून सांगला. अवेरनेस केला बरें. हांव सुद्दां तेंकां सजेस्ट केलें की स्कुलांनी अवेरनेस करा.